Hey loves! Welcome to my channel. My name is Gracey Papio. In today's video, we will be creating a one eyeshadow technique inspired by Melissa Alatorre. Please keep on watching! I will be using Viseart Grande Pro Volume 2 palette gifted by my ever-supportive husband. I'll be picking the red color which Viseart refers to as Luxe Metallic. I am applying this to the lids, then blend it out to my crease area using a clean blending brush. Here I am using Bdellium Tools 776 brush. I am just building the color until I am happy with the opacity. Apply the eyeshadow with a flat brush, then blend the edges until it is seamless. It is no secret that I am breaking out so bad. I'll be using an orange corrector from LA Pro Girl. I am blending the corrector with my Juno sponge to lighten it a bit. I may have applied too much. Then going over my face with NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Santa Fe. Highlighting my under eye area with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. We will also be contouring the face with Nye Global HD Matte Foundation in the shade Espresso. After this, I just set my face with RCMA No Color Powder and contoured with NYX Highlight and Contour Palette using the shade Tan. I went ahead and applied the same shade we applied on the lids on the lower part of my eye. Then applied Australis Metallix eyeshadow in the shade Guns and Rose Petals. I also applied a pinkish pearly highlight shade which Viseart refers to as crystalline highlight on the inner portion of my eye. I applied mascara and curled my lashes afterwards. I am using La Femme Rouge blush in the shade Scarlett. This is such a beautiful blush with a hint of shimmer, so my face reflects the light a little bit. I set my face with MAC Charged Water Skin Hydrating Mist. I actually tried a couple of lip products, then ended up using the Marc Jacobs Sugar High Nude Lip Liner and Lipstick. And voila! That's it! And you have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you are notified whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to follow me in my social media, in Instagram and Facebook page. All the links will be listed in the description box, as well as all of the products that I use in today's video. And today's shout out goes to my brother Elijah Ignacio. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here in the UAE. I hope you had a good time. I did have a good time. Thank you so much for the ring that you got me from Gold Souk. My brother got me this ring. Thank you so much. I'm really a princess in my family. I miss them so much. Hello to Mama and Papa and to my other brother John. I hope you're watching me from afar. I miss you all, guys. We will all be together soon. Anyway, if you have any comments and suggestions on my next content, please let me know by commenting below. I hope I'll see you again on my next one. Till next time. Bye!